Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here filming my November plan with me. This month is a little bit different because it is the most stressful time of the year. So for those that don't know, I have a website and an Etsy shop, and Black Friday is just the bane of my existence. I hate it with every fiber of my being. I don't have enough patience for this. I'm tired. And prepping for Black Friday it's absolutely terrible. But with all that said, I decided to make life a little bit easier on myself. And for my November plan with me, I am using my Fairy Lights kit, which is going to be coming out during the Black Friday sale. It is a kit that came out in September for my patrons. And they're getting sent this month because obviously the move made things a little bit complicated when it came to sending items. So I have this digital freebie. So if you were in the $1 tier in September, this is a downloadable calendar for you. And really, I do a lot of digital freebies in my Patreon. So if you sign up for the $1 tier, that is what you get is a lot of digitals, and then starting at the $5 tier, you would get stickers. So here I'm just marking in my Black Friday sale. I talked about this before, but Black Friday is going to be a little different this year because it is not actually on Black Friday. I'm having my Black Friday sale starting November 12th through the 15th, and it's 35% off. I'm not really sure what the status of my shop is going to be after that. I think I'm going to close down for a couple weeks and then open it back up for sales. But like, if you want it by the beginning of the year, then you need to order during the Black Friday sale. And I'm going to try to make that as clear as possible on my website and on my Etsy shop. And this year, I'm only doing track shipping. There's not going to be any no tracking option just because I don't want to fool around with the USPS right now. I've already heard terrible stories about what shipping is going to be like this year, product streams, international shipping. So I don't want to mess around. I'm just going to be shipping via tracked shipping. So I'm sorry that's going to incur a little bit of extra cost for you, but honestly, I think it will help everyone in the long run to make sure that we're all dealing with this situation. So I am doing my cleaning tracker right now. I did size up my cleaning tracker to fit a B5. If that's something you're interested in, please let me know because I can try to see what I can do in terms of getting some metal stencils for the B5. This was just a plastic one because I use the Distress Oxide inks and the daubers. So for me, it doesn't matter if it's metal or if it's plastic, but I know a lot of people just like to trace the edges, and that's a little bit more difficult with the plastic stencils. So please let me know what your preference is if you're interested in any B5s. The reason I'm asking is because for me to get the metal stencils, those are manufactured, and so I have to order quantities ahead of time, and so it does incur a lot of costs up front when it comes to that. So I'm trying to gauge interest before I spend a lot of money that I might not get back. So this is my cleaning tracker. I did use an app called Sweepy to try to figure out what my new kind of cleaning tracker timeline is. And honestly, I really recommend that app because it gives you different types of bedrooms, different types of rooms, living rooms, kitchens, all that kind of stuff. And then it gives you suggestions for what may need cleaning and the type of cleaning schedule it may need. For example, baseboards every 3 or so months. So I have a section for daily, bi-weekly, weekly, monthly, and then I have that skinny section, which is this is the thing that needs to get done this month. but isn't on a regular monthly timetable. So we have the baseboards that need to get done this month. So I added a brain dump section because honestly, my mind is just so triggered right now because of everything going on. Black Friday and moving at the same time of the year is honestly a 10 out of 10 do not recommend. But because of all of that, I have brought back my wonderful self-care bingo. So you guys know how this works, I think, because I've done it quite a number of times. So I have 5 different sections. One is physical, emotional, intellectual, spiritual, and sensory. And then I do self-care tasks that kind of align with that type of self-care. For example, in the physical category, I have going on a hike, or the emotional would be working on my wellness journal. Intellectual would be like watching a new docu-series or learning something new. Spiritual for me is not so much like religious spiritual, it's just like kind of getting in touch with the world around me. So that's like no tech days or no social media days, donating to charity, things like that. And then under sensory, that's obviously just me connecting with my senses. So burning a candle for smell, bath time, soundtracks, weighted blanket. I also included a new one this month, which is dance party, because I really like to have dance parties while I'm cooking. So I thought that would be fun. So, like I mentioned, the Black Friday sale is going to be November 12th through 15th. It's going to be shut down for a little bit after that. And during the 12th to the 15th, there is a 35% off sale. And for my patrons, there's going to be a little something extra. It's really hard to stack coupons in this system, so I can't give them an extra discount. It just causes a lot of grief for me, so they're going to get some extra freebies. So if you are interested in that, definitely go check out my Patreon. Check out patreon.com/Erin Designs, and all of that information will be there, and the different tiers and things like that. So thank you so much for joining me for this November plan with me. I'm a little stressed, but we'll make it work. And anyways, I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.